Are you still manually typing commas between names, cities, or values to combine them into one cell? There is a powerful Excel formula called TEXTJOIN that does it instantly across an entire range with any separator you choose. In the next 60 seconds, you will never waste time combining text by hand again. Imagine you have a list of ingredients, team members, or product tags spread across multiple cells, and your boss wants them all in one cell separated by commas. Most people type them out manually or use a long chain of ampersands like equals A2 ampersand comma ampersand B2, which breaks the moment you add a new column. There has to be a better way, and there absolutely is. Here is our data. We have first name, middle name, and last name spread across 3 columns for each person. Click on an empty cell where you want the combined result to appear, then start typing the TEXTJOIN formula. The function takes 3 key ingredients: the delimiter you want between your words, whether to ignore blank cells, and then the range or values you want to join together. Let us break this formula down piece by piece so it makes total sense. The first argument is the delimiter in quotes. Here we use a comma and a space so values are separated nicely. The second argument is true, which tells Excel to automatically skip any blank cells. So if someone has no middle name, it will not leave an awkward double comma. The third part is simply the cells or range you want to combine, and you can include as many as you like. Look at those results. John Michael Smith appears perfectly formatted, and for Sarah, who has no middle name, Excel smartly skipped the blank and returned Sarah Johnson with no double commas anywhere. You can use any delimiter you want: a dash, a pipe symbol, a space, or even a full word like the word "and." Just drag the formula down and every row is handled in an instant. You just learned how to use TEXTJOIN to combine text from multiple cells with any delimiter in a single clean formula, and it even handles blank cells automatically. If this tip saved you time, smash that like button and subscribe because I drop a brand new Excel trick every single day.